If you want to force rebalance a high voltage battery that uses nickel metal hydride modules and by chance you don't have the high voltage charger, is there another option, for example, for beginners? The answer is yes! Here it is, the spider cables. So with the help of these cables, you can actually get your high voltage battery and connect it in parallel. Jose, what do you mean connected the battery in parallel? There cannot be potential difference in parallel circuit, which means that if I use these spider cables and connect all the modules in parallel, the battery will automatically balance by itself. Let me show you. Negative to positive, and I'm just going to continue the chain. One down, next one to go. Now you have to be very careful. Remember that this is a parallel connection. If you make one single mistake, you're gonna make a complete short circuit. So you have to go one by one. Not a big deal. Obviously, you have to do this with much careful. Now remember, this is not high voltage, okay? These are, right now the battery is connected in just a 7.2 volts battery. Now because I'm connected in parallel, it's gonna have a huge capacity. The battery is connected in parallel, but now I have to connect these two poles over here. As you can see, this is the negative and this is the positive, but here in the positive is actually the black one. The reason is because this is only made in one single order, which means that if I want to connect this battery in parallel, I will have to connect the red one with the black one. The red one in this battery is our main negative on the other side. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna connect it. That's it, look. So what happens if I connect the other one, knowing that they have different colors, but the polarity is exactly the same? How will you know that? Look. Why don't we have any short circuit here? As I said, they are connected right now in parallel, just with different colors. So with this spider setup, we have now one single hybrid battery modules connected in parallel. And once again, parallel circuits won't have potential difference. So we're just gonna wait 24 hours and this battery should be 100% fully in balance. So we'll say, where the hell can I do this? Where can I purchase this cable? By my good friend, Jack from Dr. Prius. You can have this for it's about 50 bucks, this cable. Usually I use them very often. One must-have tool for technicians that work with hybrid battery is the spider parallel cable. Go now by my good friend Jack from Dr. Prius and order yours. Tell Jose sent you. So that should be it, 24 hours, and this will be ready. If you want to learn more, stick around for more tips. I'll see you then. Bye-bye.